Buyers are eager to know what 2023 might bring despite inflation and rate hike concerns. The good news is that the Bank of Canada has now put a pause on rate hikes for now after it raised its benchmark interest rate by 25 basis points to 4.5%, the highest it's been since 2007. Experts forecast that the trends of buyers fleeing cities and settling into suburbs and small towns is expected to reverse. Work from home models will continue to decline. Rental rates will continue growing, heading for historically high levels within the first half of 2023, and real estate investors will be left looking for alternative investing outside of traditional real estate. For more videos like this, please remember to like and follow us here. Thanks for watching.